million view. Oh shit.
Thinking about your love.
Yeah.
Everybody get chopped down. Play sleep up like helicopter. When them see the lyrical doctor.
I've been living to do this hair. I saw Shaynisha's video, and the hair was called Phylicia by Befamous Beauty, and her crochet was so beautiful. I just had to buy the hair. So I saw this. I fell in love. I fell in love with the hair. That girl nailed the hairstyle. So of course, I think this hair is gonna be bomb on me. It's gonna be so pretty. So I got it. I can't wait for you guys to see it. The delivery guy just brought it in. I just had to do this video. I was like, hey, let's do an unboxing with my folks, with my peeps, with my girls, my beautifuls. This hair is called Phylicia. Befamous Beauty, Phylicia #1. This curl pattern contains 2 different textures. Install the long wave first, the short wave on top, and then the spiral curls in the front to frame your face. Maintenance instructions: use scissors to trim any fuzzies or straight pieces of hair. Sleep in a bonnet. You can twist in large sections. Remove fluff hair and slay. I will be slaying. So this is it, guys. This is the baby. See? So this is the small one, and the next, and the next, and then this is longer. So I think they give you, let's see. They give you 2 long ones, and then they give you this one, and then a very short one. I'm going to release it and see what's up. So let's see, is it the same? Okay, this comes in the same length. I'm not going to install right now because I got to work tonight, but it's like an ocean wave, and y'all know I love that ocean wave pattern. So this is, okay, this is one bundle. Hold up, that's shorter. That's long. So I think they've done the work for you here. It looks like they have a long and then the next level. So you would install this first, then you install that. And they've been twisted together so you don't get confused. When you pick one, you know to install that one bundle. And then we take the next bundle, you know to install that one. Move to this one. Let's see if this has any other shorter one in it or if it's both the same length. Okay, this one, they're both the same length. All right, so then I'll move to this one. And after this, I'll move to this one, which is the shortest one that's supposed to frame your face, right? And you get, how many of that? Just one big one or one big one. Okay. You guys, I'm so excited about this hair, like you don't even believe it. You won't believe it. It's fall now, and so the dark colors are coming in, the burgundies are coming in. I don't like burgundy for some reason. I don't know why, like it just doesn't do it for me, but I'm going to challenge myself this year to try to do a burgundy crochet. Oh, you guys look, they included this in the package. It says Crochet Snapback Spray. It's a sample of a detangling spray. Okay. This product helps to remove tangles and knots, instantly softens, and will leave your crochet hair feeling revitalized and refreshed. Work in sections. Put your hair with water, spray the snapback spray onto the hair, and use your fingers to detangle. Let's see what's in here. Why haven't I heard about this company? Okay, what is this? A sample of their snapback. Small. They included a crochet hook. That's sweet. I have tons of this. And then a card. Okay, it gives you hair instructions. Thank you for your purchase. In honor of our rebrand, please enjoy 10% off your next purchase. Yeah. So I'm gonna go get me one more pack of hair. They have a lot of different types of hair on here, and so I think I'm gonna go ahead and order another pack of hair. So I love the fact that you just buy You pay your money and all the bundle you need is in there. You don't have to like buy 6. You just buy 1. But I only bought 1 and it's already pre-packaged, you know. I like that. So I'm definitely going to get another one. The care instructions for the hair is on this card. So I'm definitely going to try their spray, see what it's about. Okay, I'll see y'all later.